Hello everyone and welcome to this MBL webinar on construction insurance, a 1 hour 2026 update. I'm Sarah Shooter and we've been working with MBL since 2015 to deliver webinars, learn lives and seminars, and I'm delighted today we've got a 2026 update for construction insurance. Now this is going to affect building projects for sure. We're going to take a start to finish type of an approach, rather like a project. We're going to tackle both policy and procurement and claims management. So that's two parts to insurance, front end and back end. And we're also going to provide some key market updates and some insightful case law reports. So let's get started. All things for the world of construction insurance, from a legal and projects perspective, supporting your growth and development goals, and hopefully enabling some conversations with your team, with those with whom you work in the construction and engineering industry, and any peers, professionals, and other colleagues that you have. Do note on this page the exclamation mark at the bottom. Look out for these exclamation marks because they are giving you some top tips on construction insurance. This webinar then lasts an hour and you'll have multiple choice questions to do at the end. I will next briefly just give a welcome for who we are and what we do. And then as you can see now on the right hand side, the content of today's webinar. 6 topics. Firstly, we'll be looking at what insurance is and what its purpose is. So why are we interested in this topic in the first place? Secondly, we're going to look at the most important piece of legislation, that's the Insurance Act 2015. Thirdly, we're going to map this into construction contracts and have a look at the combination of construction and insurance. Fourthly, we'll do some key market trends for the update. Fifthly, something around claims management and what you can do, what steps you can take with regard to your construction insurance claims. Sixthly, and finally, I'll gather together everything into a summary and provide you with some key takeaways. Our aims and objectives then are to explain how insurance works, to weave into that the context of construction projects, from placement and policy procurement through to claims management. We'll also explore the current market, and I'll give you some practical tips on what to do next. The overall objectives of the session are so that you can talk about construction insurance with confidence. And as an additional item, you've got links to a resource page, which is at the back of the materials pack. There you can access further resources and do some enrichment yourselves.